Hello, how do I practice chart analysis before swing trading real money? Well, by swing trading real money, we cannot learn to fly without actually flying, right? You choose your chart and your stocks that you want to swing trade, and you just swing trade them. You do your chart analysis before you buy stocks. And I will say at the beginning, just buy one share of a stock. That way, one, you can stretch the money you have, because when you start, chances are you will start with a small dollar, a small capital. So to stretch that capital and be able to buy multiple stocks in your watch list to see which one are really not just based on your assumption or your analysis, but which one really are working well with your swing trading strategy. So you buy one share. It's not so much about making a lot of money at the beginning, but be able to test your strategy against the stocks you choose to trade with them. Because with the way we are doing it, we want to keep trading the same stocks, have a list of stocks that we just want to trade from. So buying one share at a time from those allows you to be able to stretch your capital while you keep saving to add to your account, and you will be able to test those stocks, buy multiple of those stocks in your watch list, and buying one share with the goal that you'll make at least $1 profit after you pay a brokerage fee. And that $1 fee is just, by default, a minimum, just give you a confirmation that you can make profit. Swing trading, and chances are you are going to make more than $1 fee. Does not mean when you are going to make more than $1 profit. Does not mean that when you make $1 profit you will sell the share, but you when you sell it, you will sell it when you want to sell it. But when you sell it, you want to make at least $1 profit. So any profit more than $1 is a win for you. And that's how you are practicing. You are interning yourself. You are in a paid internship. You are doing a paid internship, and it's not fake. You do that with your real money. That way, as you are practicing, you are learning. When you are going to buy that stocks that you make $1 profit from, again, if you are comfortable buying 2 share, 3 share, whatever you are comfortable and you can afford to buy, you will buy that. So that is the way I go about it. Today we are going to analyze WAT as of March 16, 2026 using Thinkorswim platform. And to buy and sell stocks, you are going to do chart analysis of them. And by doing the chart analysis over and over and over, you are practicing chart analysis. For instance, I don't really buy stocks without doing chart analysis. I like to analyze my stocks during the weekend because I have a long list of them this year. And I'm not very good. I have not found a good routine yet to seek to, and it's not an excuse. I will find that routine. But yeah, doing those analysis during the weekend and mark red stocks that I like to review during the week, and those stocks are stocks I analyze during the week to see what action I wanted to take with those. By default, they are stocks I wanted to buy, and and just review them during the week to see every day which one I'm buying that day, by just quickly analyzing those that are flagged for the week. So therefore, you just keep doing those chart analysis. It's not doing it once and be done with it. But with the strategy I'm using this year, I'm supposed to be doing those chart analysis every weekend, and they are more than 200 stocks in my watch list. I have two lists here, this one and this one, analyzing 200 plus stocks every weekend and analyzing a handful of it every day. You just keep practicing analyzing by doing that, and you find a stock that is well positioned for you to buy, you buy. So WAT, when we are looking at it, we don't have it in our portfolio yet. How do I know? That cell is not highlighted. So therefore, our goal is to buy. So by looking at it, we are going to ask ourselves, is it time for us to buy? We are using maximum chart here, a daily chart. And I'm going to say, no, it's not the time for me to buy. When I'm comparing, let me take this out of here. So when I'm looking at it, I'm comparing where the price is, and I'm asking myself where this price is coming from the valley that I want to buy it at, or from the top of the mountain. So I'm going to look for all-time highest price, and all-time highest price is so far here, and that's where it's coming from. I have this that came down, but it didn't touch base with this support line. So we are going to go to maximum monthly chart to see it better. So from here, it came down, but didn't touch base with it. Went up, came down, but all-time highest price was there. It have not exceeded yet. So it's coming from there, going down, but it has not touched base with it. So therefore, I don't want to buy. And that is pretty much what my analyses are. And all-time highest price is so far down here. I have multiple years. I have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So we have those dotted line that are years. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, more than 4 years in the past. This all-time highest price. When I say like that, usually I like to say is I like to move it to the second list of long-term investment type of stocks to swing trade. So it's coming down, but it's not coming down quite to this. So I'm going to try to trace another line here to see if it's going to touch base with it. So this, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have this that is, it came to, went up, came back to, went up, came back to. So right now is at that line. Because it's at this line, I might ask myself, do I want to buy some? I might buy some and wait on it. But 4 years, it has not exceeded this yet, and this is around 2021. 2021. So it's going to take a while. If it's not common for it to go that high, it might take few trials to get there. A try 2024 got close, try 2025, but still fell short. Maybe next time it might exceed it, we will see. But now that I trace this, I'm going to ask myself again, do I want to buy? Because it's touching this line, and this line is 6 years long, my answer is going to be yes. It's right there as well. And I have noticed that it has not really come down to this line here. So there is a chance it might come down to it. There is a chance it may not. So I'm going to color this teal as well, and I'm going to buy at that line. But because this, I like to find all-time highest price to be within the last 2 years. So for that reason, this, I'm going to move it. From there is a healthcare, and it's in the life science. So WAT, I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to remove it from this area. So as I'm analyzing those stocks, if I'm not seeing, I'm recategorizing them because I want to see this all-time highest price to be within the last 2 years. Here is just too far in the past for my liking. I will assume this does not grow fast enough for me, so it's going to be in this that I'm calling investment list for swing trading, because again that just tells me that I'm going to hold on to it for a while. So but yes, you do see how first I said no, but now I'm saying yes when I went and traced this line and judge that I'm okay buying it at this line as well. It's not too far from this one, but there is a chance it may not come down here. But since it came down to the valley line, I might buy some there. So that's why I made it red on the list. But buying it there, I don't know when it's going to exceed this price. Our exit by default is all-time highest price. So you'll buy it and you might hold on to it. One thing I like to keep in mind as well is we might see a better on this one. If it goes up, it does not go all the way and it comes down here, will I be negative in it? So those are things you have to ask yourself. So when I put my mouse here, the corresponding price is below here and this one is below here. So that tells me that if it goes up, it does not reach all-time highest price and come back down to this support line, it will come down to it at a higher price. So like I will still be a little bit positive in it in the meantime. That's one way to view it. Alternatively, because it does not touch this, is having a problem exceeding this, I could decide to sell it when it reach about the previous highest peak. That's one way to view it as well, but I just don't want to have multiple strategy to enter or to exit. But again, those are things you just have to weigh for yourself. That way, wasting this growth, you can lock it in. When it comes down, you can buy it again. That's one way to view it. Alternatively, we can just keep it for how long it will take for that to breach this all-time highest price and judge from there if we want to sell it or hold on to it, because usually when it reach all-time highest price, it can continue for close to a year before it will be done. If we view it here, yes, it tends to do that about a year or so. So we are going to see. So let's go back. So yes, I will buy some share of these stocks, knowing that there is this line here that it could come to, and if it comes down here, I might buy some more, I may not. But if it's going to go up from here, I like to be able to buy some shares before it start going up, because again, if it does not reach all-time highest price and come down, if I buy at the valley line, it will come down to the valley line a little bit at a higher level that I will not be negative in it, because the support line is tilted. So therefore, Isham is taking about a year to come down to it. It's going to reach it at a higher level than the previous time that it reached it. So that's why it's making a higher low. This low is higher than this one, which is higher than this one. By saying higher, we are comparing the coordinate of it. The is coordinate on the y-axis. The price is corresponding to this one. The price is higher than this one. The price is higher than this price corresponding to this. So that is making a higher lows. It's reaching the support line at the valley of the mountain at a higher point each time. So thank you so much for watching our video. That's how we practice. We are not going to learn completely how to analyze chart before we start buying. but we learn as we do it and improve over time. Thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Girls of Liberman Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel and ninasub.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. For more swing trading videos in this series, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long Uptrend line. And we do have other swing trading related playlists as well. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.